Here's a 2017 Genesis G90. It's luxuriously designed around you to create an elegant oasis for every journey. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated Napa leather bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, heated steering wheel, height adjustable automatic suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.